A warm welcome everybody, once again here from my little basement-based diecast studio in Bavaria, in Germany. Today's topic, RMZ or RMZ City. To be honest, I have never heard of this brand before, and as you can see, these cars are not 1/64 scale models that I usually review or unbox here on this channel. These are 1/43 scale models. I think they are 1/43 scale models. The packaging doesn't say anything, but I think 1/43 is the scale. So yeah, why did I buy these cars? I mean, maybe you have experienced something similar. When the pegs are dry in your local toy store, then something else might draw your attention. And yeah, I came across these cars and I thought they do look very good, and for €5 I thought, yeah, you can buy them, and yeah, this is what I got. 3 cars, €5 each. And yeah, I took them with me and I thought I'll show them to you. We take them out of the box and take a look at them through the packaging. They did look very good and very detailed. Normally I, as I said, don't buy any 1/43 scale models, or as you can see right here, it says these are pullback cars. But as I said, they did look very good, and so yeah, so let's take them out of the packaging. We got the Lamborghini Murciélago, this one here. We got the Chevy Corvette C6-R, a racing version, and we got this one here, the Audi R8 Coupe. We start with the Audi. Let's take a quick look at the packaging. As I said, I didn't find any scale on the packaging. As you can see here on the corner in the left, it says Unifortune, seems to be the company behind RMZ City, whatever that is, Hong Kong. This is the back side, so it seems to be officially licensed. And as you can see here, this one is opening doors, and as I said, is a pullback car, normally stuff that I don't buy, but as I said, they did look very good. And now let's see if they do look so good out of the packaging. As you can see, these are secured with 2 screws. So what do we see? A plastic base for sure, and some fingerprints from me. But look at this. As I said, €5 each, and look at the lights. Lens headlights with very much details. I think this looks just great. We have the Audi rings on the hood. And look at the grille, how detailed that is. We got this matte black, which is really cool. Also the back does look very good. It says Audi R8. Also inserted taillights, really cool. The exhaust. I think these are rubber tires. Yes. And now look right here. Opening doors. Hard to see something from the interior, but it's also very detailed, I would say. I mean, there are nothing painted or something, but this thing here for €5, look right here, the engine. We got here on the side it says V10. So now let's see how this one is rolling. As I said, it's a pullback car. Yeah, it rolls. And I mean, the wheels could be better, but look right here. Very dark. Oops. It's got no suspension, but it's got a very good stance. I think for €5, this is a really, really cool car. And also, I'm always saying I'm not a huge fan of opening parts, but I mean the gaps on these doors, this is really okay. So, cool. Let's park the Audi and let's go on with the Chevy Corvette. So packaging, the same. Let's get the screwdriver. The same with this car. I think the lights do look very cool, very detailed. So if I didn't mention, by the first car, it's a metal body, plastic base for sure. Also inserted taillights. Well, okay, I don't know what that thing is, where the license plate should be. Okay. But I think this one's also really cool, and look right here, it also has opening doors for sure. And it's got a roll cage inside. I think this one is also really cool. For €5. Let's see if this one is also a good roller. Okay. Not really a racing car. Okay, this one seems to be a little bit slower than the Audi, as you can see. Uh-oh. Oh man. I dropped it. Now we've got some scratches on the on the roof. So this is a good thing when you buy a car for €5. Doesn't hurt too much. Little accident. Okay, let's go on with the last one. This is the Lamborghini Murciélago. As you can see, I'm not experienced with pullback cars. A little crash during the unboxing. So, the Lamborghini Murciélago, also iconic sports car. Really cool. We see the Lamborghini badge on the hood. And once again, detailed headlights. And also cool rear end with lensed taillights. And also Lamborghini on the back. So let's open the doors of the Lamborghini. And once again, look right here. I think this is an interesting quality for €5. I don't see any issues or... Oh, okay. Oh! Yeah, for sure, this one's got the scissor doors. Didn't think about that. This is really cool. Look right here. So, what do you think? Which one of these three is the best one? Oh, I didn't check if the Lamborghini is a roller, so now I'm more careful. Oh. Okay. Anyways, these cars are... I mean, these are toy cars, but I think they are also cars that you can display. They do look very good, and I will put them on the shelf. I would say the Audi is really cool. I think the Audi has the coolest headlights. But I think my favorite one is this one here with the scissor doors. Lamborghini Murciélago. So I think I mentioned it a few times, but I think for €5, these are really very, very cool cars. Nothing wrong with it. And that's it for this video. I say thanks for watching. Happy hunting. Bye.